Bowie, Super Coach, my top 3 tips on how to best utilize your unique selling propositions, commonly known as USPs. Number 1, they must be documented. This will allow you to send them as part of your pre-listing package. It'll also allow you to have them in front of you at each and every listing appointment. Why? Because I guarantee you, if they're not documented, it's highly likely that if you have half a dozen or even a dozen USPs, that you're actually going to remember to go through each and every one of them with the client. So how many times do we leave a listing appointment and think, oh, I forgot to talk about social, forgot to talk about my buyer strategy, forgot to talk about our national database, whatever it may be. Documented, critical. Number 2, have a combination of both personal and brand or business USPs. So a personal USP might be, I'm a developing agent. I only take on 4 listings at a time. I have plenty of energy, time, and focus to make sure that I'm providing personalized service to yourself, and I'm not a principal of an office, for example. If you're the principal of an office, well, then your USP personally is that you come with gravitas, you come with experience, you come with a huge buyer database, you come with amazing past clients that you can tap into. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you believe it, it's authentic, and you execute it with veracity, confidence, and transparency. A business USP might be your national database. It might be how many agents in the office. It might be what your referral program with buyers is within the network or within your office, whatever it might be. But please have a combination, know what they are, have them documented. Number 3, each time you talk about a USP, it is absolutely useless in isolation unless you explain why it is going to translate into a superior customer service experience for the seller, and how it's going to also translate into achieving a premium price for that seller. So for example, if you are tapping into a buyer database or you are promoting a USP that involves social media, in isolation that means nothing. So what I mean by that is, if it's social media, for example, great. What is your strategy? Where do you promote it? How many metrics or views or pay-per-views do you receive? What is some quantifiable objective metrics that can translate into a superior customer service experience and also translate into achieving an absolutely premium price for the client? Otherwise, they're absolutely useless. So I hope that's helped. God bless. Live with virtue always. And please, no need for another jab.